everyone, welcome back to our channel. In the previous episode, we learned two formats for looping, while loop and for loop. We also saw how a while loop could be used to count the occurrence of the vowel O in any given word. Today, we will learn how the same counting can be done using a for loop. Remember the format. For each item in something, we take some action. Here, something becomes the supplied word, and each item is replaced by a variable current underscore name. Note, word is also a variable. The action in this case is an if loop for deciding if a character is O or not. When it is O, we print instead of counting. We avoid performing actual counting just for simplicity. So the code becomes for current underscore char, that is character, in word, colon, if current underscore char double equals O, colon, print O is used. Before we explain in detail, let us see the final code in Google Colab. Now let's run this code for the word moon. See, it prints O twice. Let me also run it for mom. See, it prints O once this time. Now it's time to explain how it works. In this format, Python internally decides how to break something into items. For example, when something is a word, then Python uses the property of a string and breaks the string into characters. Then Python assigns a character from the word to the variable supplied, that is, current underscore char. Python also changes the characters in each loop. In case the supplied word is moon, then in the first loop, current underscore char is assigned to M. In the second loop, it is O. In the third loop, it is O again. And in the fourth loop, it will be N. Python automatically finishes the loop after that. This structure of the for loop is a specialized loop because it uses the term in. With the term in, Python knows it has to break the content of the next variable into items. This is why this format is more aptly termed as for in loop. A fun fact is that this specialized for in loop is not available in C but is present in JavaScript. In this for in loop format, if something is a list of names, then Python assigns each name to X as it iterates through the loops. We will close today's session. In the next session, we will take a closer look at these loops again. But before we go, can you think of any situation where a for in loop will not be sufficient and a while loop can be useful instead? Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. That's all for today. We'll see you soon. Ciao!